There are loads of great, really structured activities that you can do with your child to support their vocabulary acquisition and their ability to recall words that they know but sometimes can't quite get off the tip of their tongue. And lots of these are really useful if you're sitting down and doing some focused homework activities. But what about when you're just out and about and a word crops up in conversation, or there's something that your child's interested in and you want to do something kind of semi-structured to help them learn that word? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to look at 3 top tips to help you practice words out and about within everyday conversations. So stay tuned. So I'm going to give you an acronym for these 3 top tips, BRO, B-R-O, because things are easier if we have an acronym for them, right? First suggestion is to break it down. Whatever the word is, if you can break down all of the elements, the sounds that construct that word, it's going to help your child to process it and remember it later. I'm thinking of some recent examples that have cropped up in conversation. One of them was cardigan, cardigan. Part of breaking up the word also is thinking, are there any other words hiding, smuggled within that word? So we discovered that cardigan has car and dig in it. And so this helped us get started and helped the child to attach this new word, cardigan, to words that she was already really familiar with. Next, you want to repeat. Repeat that word as many times as you can kind of get away with naturally, which is a surprising number of times, so that your child just has the opportunity to hear it and really kind of embed it in their memory. And you can repeat the word itself. I might just say, thinking about our example of cardigan, oh, cardigan, oh yeah, okay, cardigan, cardigan, oh yeah, okay, so that's got 3 beats in it, cardigan. We know it's got car and dig in it, cardigan, okay. Then we can start repeating it within sentences. I saw a giraffe wearing a pink cardigan. I wear a cardigan to school. I like my stripy sequin cardigan, etc. Once you have broken down the word and repeated it lots of times, then you can set yourself some observation homework. So you can challenge yourself and your child to notice this word out and about. So if the example is cardigan, then you might say, I wonder if we can spot anyone in town today who is wearing a cardigan. And then that gives you the excuse to keep that new word front and center of your mind and to also repeat it again and put it into new sentences. If you're helping your child to learn a word that is a bit more abstract, a bit less kind of concrete than something like an everyday object such as a cardigan, then you can still do this observation homework because you can kind of just see excuses for using this word within situations. So we're at the park at the moment. If your word was majestic, we might be on the hunt for things that look majestic. If our word was unbelievable, we might see if we could make up some sentences about the everyday situation here that was unbelievable. It is just unbelievable that that tree looks so enormous. It must have been here for such a long time. So there you have it. Bro those words. Break it down, repeat, and set yourself some observation homework. You can really get familiar with a new word and help your child to learn it within everyday situations. No laminating, no tabletop activity, just out and about good conversation. Because that is the best thing that you are doing with your child, is staying in the moment, being interested and engaged in what they're finding interesting and helping them learn new words within everyday situations. Whatever you're doing with your child, remember the 2 of you are doing awesome, and every tiny step that the 2 of you take together is a step in the right direction. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.